what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? Before we get into this video, I want to remind everyone to go over to Facebook if you have a Facebook page and request the Work at Home Lounge. That group is super duper amazing. There are a lot of people over there who currently work from home, and they're sharing a lot of tips, tricks, and ways to get in with certain companies. And sometimes they also reach out to me and they give me exclusive information in regards to companies that are hiring workers from home, but they're not necessarily any postings that are available online, so I wouldn't know about them. So you definitely want to be in the Work at Home Lounge over there on Facebook if you are in search of a work at home job. Now let's get into the video. Hey family, I wanted to tell you guys about a really cool way that you guys can make some money on your phone, okay? Now this is definitely not something that is going to be a quote unquote job. This is literally going to be something to get you some lunch money or possibly put a little bit of gas into your car, okay? I am going to be showing you guys some payment proof at the end of this video, and I'm also going to be showing you guys a little bit of what you'll be doing if you decide that you want to become a tester for this website, okay? What you're going to want to do if you're on a computer, you're going to want to come over here to this website called playtestcloud.com, okay? And you're not going to click on start a trial or products or any of that. You're going to come over here to the side. And you're going to click on become a tester, okay? You're going to click on become a tester. Now, I want you guys to know that you're going to have to fill out all of this information, including your birthday, your gender, and all of that, okay? They're also going to ask you what type of device that you're going to be using. Is it an iPhone, Android, or if you're going to be using any of these, a computer, etc., etc. Okay. Now, how this all works, you're going to fill out this information and they're actually going to send you an email. You're going to have to actually take a test, okay, a sample test where they can ensure that, you know, I guess you're quote unquote qualified to do this. Okay, it's very simple. Again, I'm going to be showing you what you're going to be doing and you'll see that it's really easy. Okay, now when you do this, some of you guys are going to be a little bit leery of this, but you're going to have to plug up your headphones to your phone because you're going to have to, they're going to want to actually hear you verbally playing the game. Okay, I guess doing some of your moves, they're going to want to know your next move, etc. You're just going to have to just be like, oh, okay, I'm going to go here, I'm going to go there. You're not going to have to, you know, say anything super technical or anything, okay? But you will have to do that. They're not going to access your camera, but they will be accessing your microphone, okay? So just make sure that you're in a room that is quiet and you are able to, you know, plug up your headphones and actually interact with the game that way, okay? They're going to send you an email. You're going to have to download this app to your phone or to your computer. Once you download it, you're actually going to have to conduct like a short test, anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, and then they're going to actually score the test, and then they're going to say whether or not you're qualified, etc. I'm going to show you guys an email that I got here. It says, "Hi Tawana, congratulations, you have completed the qualification test. You'll now enter our pool and will be considered in the future for play tests that will fit your profile." Okay, now please keep in mind, like I said, this is for a little bit of extra cash, possibly some gas here and there. You can expect to receive 1 to 2 games to play test per month. Now, the payment proof that I'm going to show you, some of these can be anywhere from $35, some of them can be $11, $9, but just keep in mind that I don't think I've seen any that were below $9 if I'm not mistaken, okay? But you can expect to make anywhere from, like I said, it could be $30, $35 per test, $11, $9, okay? You might get to, some people say sometimes they get up to 3 or 4 per month, okay? So keep that in mind, all right? Now, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what you will be doing, okay? Really simple. Let me pull up my screen recording here. Give me 2 seconds. All right, so this is the app they're actually going to have you download right here. This Jelly Splash app. I'm not going to click on it. This is the app they're actually going to have you download, this yellow Jelly Splash app right there. I'm not going to click on it because it's going to cut off my screen recording. But that's the app they're going to have you download to do the test, okay? Because it does have a built-in recorder where it can actually record you playing the game, not video wise. It's going to record your screen, and it's also going to record the voice using the microphone, as I said before, okay? But this is the exact same app. This purple here, I downloaded, is the exact same app. I'm just going to show you guys what you will be doing during this test. Really, really simple, okay? So all you'll be doing is connecting these little jellyfish thingamabobbers right here. That's literally all you're going to be doing. Okay? Really simple. That's it. And I'm not going to get super technical with this. I'm just showing you guys how easy it is to get this done in your spare time. Most of y'all play these games on your phone at work anyway. Okay? And that's pretty much all there is to it. Now here is the actual payment proof that I wanted to show you guys, okay? As you can see here at the bottom, these are the recent payments that were sent out. As you can see here, payment coming from Playtest Cloud GmbH for $11. Here's another one on October 2nd for $9. Then you have more here on the side. The date is a little bit cut off. However, you have one for $11, another one for $2, another for $11. You have another here for $9. We have here on July 11, 2018, $9. July 3rd, $11. May 31st, $9. Here's what I was telling you guys about May 2nd. Okay, May 2nd was a $35 test. Okay, so as you can see here on March 2nd was a $35 payment. Okay, and these are just several different payments that I wanted to show you guys the payment proof of. But again, this is a 100% legitimate app. It's free. You don't have to pay any money. You just go over there, download. You just go over there, fill out the information, and they will send you an email for you to test out the app and see if you qualify. So hope that some of you guys get in on this. Again, this is for lunch money only. Okay, maybe gas occasionally. Definitely not a job. Okay, keep that in mind. This is just for extra cash. This is a side hustle. See you guys in the next video. Bye.